Welcome back to SanTech. In today's video, we're going to understand how DNS works in the simplest way possible. That's where DNS comes in. What is DNS? DNS stands for Domain Name System. It translates human-friendly domain names like google.com into IP addresses like 142.250.190.14. Because computers communicate using IP addresses, not names, DNS is basically the Internet's phone book. Why DNS is needed? Imagine if you had to remember the IP address of every website. That would be impossible. DNS makes the Internet easy to use by converting names into numbers automatically. How DNS works, step by step. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. DNS query. You type a website name into your browser. Your computer sends a DNS query to a DNS resolver. Step 2. Recursive resolver. The resolver checks its cache first. If it already knows the IP address, it responds immediately. If not, it asks other DNS servers. Step 3. Root DNS server. The root DNS server directs it to the correct top-level domain server. Step 4. Top-level domain server, like .com or .org, responds with the address of the authoritative name server. Step 5. Authoritative name server. This server contains the actual IP address of the website. It sends the IP address back to the resolver. Step 6. Website loads. The resolver sends the IP address to your computer. Now your browser connects to that IP address and loads the website. And that's how DNS works. Important DNS concepts. Let's quickly understand some important DNS terms. DNS Cache stores previously resolved domain names to speed up browsing. TTL, time to live, defines how long a DNS record is stored in cache. A record maps a domain to an IPv4 address. AAA record maps a domain to an IPv6 address. CNAME record redirects one domain to another. Ports used. DNS mainly uses port 53 UDP for regular queries and port 53 TCP for large responses and zone transfers. And that's DNS explained in simple terms. Like the video, subscribe to SanTech.